making my famous almond cookies. They're gonna be with almond flour, very healthy cookie. Here we go. We're gonna start with adding 2 cups of almond flour. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. Now we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's make that 3. Now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of water. And we're gonna mix it all up. We're gonna add a pinch of vanilla. Now we're gonna go on to the next step. Grease your parchment paper very lightly. Have a little bit of almond flour in a plate. Take a spoon, pour a little bit out. It's about 1 inch. Take your spoon again, pretty sticky, so you're gonna take your spoon and put some almond flour and just kind of floured it on. Place your cookie and push it down gently. And there you go. And now we're gonna continue on. These cookies should make about 20 cookies. And once I roll all of them, I'll show you what the next step is. Oh, one more thing. Place them about 1 inch apart. We'll be back. Okay, now that we've formed all our cookies, we're gonna go ahead and place some oil, very light coat, over them. You can use corn oil, vegetable oil. Okay, very light coat, and then take your fresh almonds and place on top. Now we're gonna go ahead and place these in the oven for about 10-15 minutes, and we'll show you how it looks after it's done. It's been cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. How you know when it's ready is when you turn them over and they're browned underneath. You're gonna wait until they cool off, until they harden, and then they'll be ready to eat.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.